Okay, we got the AGT LRT23 Chinese mini skid steer, and right here we've got the sidewalk that we poured, I don't know, 4 months ago, maybe 3 months ago. It was sometime in the fall. This turned out really nice. It leads up to this deck. We used a MudMixer and the Chinese mini skid steer, combination of that and some manual labor. Got this curved concrete pathway poured. If you haven't seen that video, go watch that one. But here's the job. We did some grading. Again, this has been sitting here for months, but this is what we got up with the LRT23 mini skid steer. Now, we're not so concerned about the rocks today, the mountain stone, but this small pile of dirt we need to backfill, because you can see, I'll bring the camera down, you can see where this grading took place. We poured this sidewalk. Now it's time to backfill. That's what we're going to do. Now the moment of truth. Will this machine crack that concrete? If it was going to do it, it would have done it just then. It would have done it right there, actually. It did not. We did good. Now I'm going to see if I can get a scoop in this wheelbarrow. Okay, the entire dirt mound has been moved. We've got the concrete sidewalk backfilled at this point. I didn't put a timer on it, but this little machine did it in less than an hour. If I was to do that by hand with a shovel, especially with all the rock content inside of the dirt, there's no telling how long it would have taken me. I don't know if you remember the before, but there was a big gap right there. Concrete held up when I drove over this. I mean, I would have assumed this corner right here would have been the weakest corner, but concrete sidewalk held up. Again, watch that video if you haven't. It kind of shows you step by step everything you need to do a DIY curved concrete pathway. We did that. We also did this deck. Didn't record that though. But I tell you what, the little LRT23, it continues to impress. For such a cheap machine, its capabilities are impressive to me. And you can kind of get a look at this backyard, you know, fenced in backyard. We had to go through a gate over there. Not a lot of room to work here, but this machine can do it. It can get in these tight spaces. It's nimble and it's plenty strong enough relative to its size and cost. So no complaints at all about this machine. Love the thing. And this is all factory. There's been no mods to this whatsoever. Okay, so that's the machine. Behind me is the concrete sidewalk project. Again, watch that video. It's a pretty good one. We actually use this machine in that video as well as a MudMixer. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. As always, thanks for watching.